Okay, this has, if you listen to this song at home, just know there's a clean version and there's a really bad version, so you pick what you want, okay? There's 3 parts of this song. First part's just the salsa, right? You'll hear the music and your body will just do it. You'll be like, oh, salsa, salsa, rita, oh, sosi, right? Easy, yep. So the second part, your feet are like this, and I want you to think 3 slow, 2 quick. Don't worry about your hands. We'll learn the hands in a second. I want you to go 1, 2, 3. Now you're quick. You're going to go down, up with your hips. Down, up. Now your weight is over here. This foot's ready to go. You got to go back. 3, 2, 1, quick. Now when you're ready, you go clap, 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 quick, clap, 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 quick, clap, 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 quick, clap, clap, clap. So do you have to do the little hippie things? No, it just makes it fun. Just rock your hips. Okay, part 2, you're going to pick up this leg. You're going to kick it to face that way. Everything's intentional on the count. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, face front again. I'll get this all messed up, so probably don't want to watch me in class, but it's going to be okay. So kick this leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to pick up that front leg, but you're going to get over to the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put those 2 things together. This leg always is the one that starts it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it again. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last part. We're going to go double, 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 single, 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 single. What your legs end up doing, I don't care. All right? Because you're probably going to see me in class like straight up like, right? You pick what you want. Doesn't matter. This is only like 3-ish minutes. I know we've been picking on 4-minute songs, but this is 3-ish. You ready?